Hey everybody, it's Justin here, and I'm just going to share with you my thoughts for why I'm looking for a long on gasoline. So I've got gasoline front month September contract up on the screen. So this week I found that this market is pretty primed for a long. It doesn't mean I'm just going long right now, but it does mean that this market is set up for long. So I'm going to start by going over to barchart.com and go over here to futures and commitment to traders and then find gasoline. I'll bring up this chart here. I get rid of the disaggregated. I'm also going to clear this up and get rid of the large speculators. So right down here, this shows the commitment of traders, the large speculators positions in red. And we're not so much concerned with the fact whether they're net long or short. Right now, they're net short by negative 15,000 roughly contracts. But what we're concerned about is their extreme in positioning. So what you see here is we're way up here and we're more long than we've been than the last time that the commercials were this long was in 2010 back here. And look what happened there. Huge move up. Usually when we get to these extremes, we see some sort of move of some significance, like right here when we took out this high and up we go. So basically, commercials are very long. What we've seen is they've been buying this whole dip. They've been adding to their long position this whole way down, and now we're at a very large extreme in positioning. Now, if we look at the small speculators, which is the public, which is a group of traders that in most markets are often wrong, we see that they're at a 3-year low in their positioning. So they're actually more short than they've been. Last time they were this short was in 2020 when they sold the lows here before this huge move up. So the commercials being very long and the small speculators being at an extreme in short positioning is good enough of a reason for me to look for longs. That's only 2 reasons. I like to see at least 3. So here we have a valuation measure. Gasoline is extremely undervalued relative to the price of US treasuries and gold. That's bullish. We also have an oversold on the stochastic. And on another platform, I have a sentiment indicator, and the sentiment is extremely bearish in this market, which is bullish actually. When all of the advisors are recommending that their clients sell, who's left to sell if everybody's sold? So this thing is getting primed for a long. If we take a second just to look at the cyclical perspective of this market, we find a few things that are interesting. This is the annual cycle down here, which is pretty consistently observed by this market. You can see it doesn't follow it perfectly. Of course, nothing's perfect, but in this business. But here we got a cyclical low coming up in the first little part of September. In the intermarket analysis, this is an interesting feature of this software. This finds the 3 most similar years of price action for this market. So I've created a composite of the 3 of them. And we see that coming up in the first week of September, we can expect a bounce burst based on this this composite of similar years. So that is supportive of our idea to go long gasoline. And then we also have this cycle here. Now, this is not supportive of my idea to go long gas. Gasoline should be putting in a cyclical low based on this 365-day cycle sometime around the middle of October. But I'm not trading cycles just based off of this as this is the time to go long. I'm aware that, hey, you know what, this market maybe is going to go lower and I'm not going to get the trade that I'm looking for, and the commercials will continue to build their long position and get even more long, and that's fine. But what I do see on the fundamental side of things is that this market is set up for long. I'll be looking for entries. More aggressive entries will be anything that any entry that happens prior to 18 period moving average entry. So I'll update you with how this is going. But I do think this is shaping up to be quite a nice trade. Just a matter of when does this all start to happen. So that is what we wait for. So wish you guys a good week ahead, good trading, and good luck, of course. And thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up with a message. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.